Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Halloween set, attempting some Nightmare Before Christmas nail art, Jack Skellington, and also Sally. First, I'm going to be using the LGN Pro rubber base on all of my nails. I'm really liking her products, and today we're going to be using the Neon collection, which is absolutely perfect for Halloween. The colors are so pigmented and bright. We got purple, green, orange, all these really fun colors that are just perfect to go for Halloween. So the first color is Blacklight, and this is a gorgeous purple. This one I'm going to be placing on my middle finger. First, you're going to need a slip layer. So I'm just applying a thin coat on the whole nail. Then we're going to go in with a bigger bead and just work that down the nail. Now this is in real time. I actually felt like this just melted right into my nail. It just went on so nicely. And I felt like it was so easy to work with. I really like the consistency of these color gels. So I'm going to place that right down the middle. Then I'm going to take a thinner brush and just kind of work it down the sides and along the cuticle. If you do get it into the cuticle area, just take like a wood stick or a brush and clean it up the best you can. Do not cure it onto your skin because it will be harder to get that out of the cuticle with a file. So you just want to try to put your application on as good as possible, so you save yourself the hassle of filing. Once I have that all cleaned up, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full minute, and then I'm going to go in with a second layer. This is to build the apex area so we don't have a super thin flat nail. The next color we're going in with is Laser Beam, and this is a really bright neon green. It is so pretty. Again, it's perfect for this season. I'm applying a thin layer on my ring finger. Then we're going to go in with a bigger bead, place that down the center, use a smaller brush to work it down the sides of the nails and then around the cuticle. This is going to be the background for Sally, while the purple is going to be the background for Jack. For the rest of the nails, we're going to be using True Nude. I'm going to be placing this on my index finger, pinky, and also my thumb. I'm going to be creating some Frenchies, and this is just going to be the base for those. This is how we're looking after everything has been applied and cured in the lamp for a full minute. Now there is a sticky layer on top of these. You'll have to remove that with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to go in with my sanding band and I'm just going to file these up to make them more smooth. You do not need to go crazy when filing hard gel. It's super easy to file, just like polygel. And I find using my sanding band works just fine. Sometimes if I use a harder bit, like a metal bit or a ceramic bit, I will overfile. You'll see spots in the middle where they're thin and you did too much. So use a sanding band or use a regular hand file so you have more control, but I find this works just fine. I'm using these frosting gel paints from Profiles Backstage for the nail art, and I'm just going to start creating those outlines. We're going to be drawing Jack first, and honestly I thought Jack would be the easiest, and it took forever. I think I watched 4 Halloween movies like trying to draw these characters. It is so hard. People who can do really intricate nail art, you know, you are the real MVPs. Like, unbelievable. This took so long. I am happy with the way that they came out. I think for my first time, they turned out really good. However, you know, there's always room for improvement. So again, just drawing out the outline, and then we're going to go in to do more of the detail work. So we are finally done with Jack Skellington. I kind of wish I put like a glittery background. She does have some glitter. They're the Shimmer On collection. I could have threw that right over top of it to kind of give that background a little more dimension, I guess. But hindsight. So we're moving on to the index finger. I'm going to do the same design on the index finger, pinky, and the thumb, but I'm only going to show you here. Applying the French tip in black, and then we're going to take some of that electric beam color, and then we're going to apply some little gooey drips. I end up redoing this nail to only 3 drips. I felt like there was one too many on here, so it looked kind of cluttered. Once I have that all set and cured in the lamp, I do top coat those 2 nails. I almost took a break right here and just started up the next day, but I'm like, no, I gotta finish it. I'm already halfway there. And yeah, so I just kept going. Now we're going to start drawing out Sally, and I did find her to be a little easier, although it still took me a while to do. I just didn't feel like I had to start over as many times with her. So we finally got Sally all done, cured in the lamp for a full minute and top coated. I again do the same design on my pinky and my thumb, and this is the finished design. Overall, I think I did a pretty decent job. As I said, it's the first time I've ever done these characters before, and you can tell who they are, which is always a plus. But I wish I did add a bit of glitter in the background for the characters. I think it would have made it pop a little bit more. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and how I did, if you would rock these. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do post weekly nail videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.